Watch this video and learn how to draw a drum set. Later in the show, Baritone has a dance break. And watch to the end for one of Mikey Marker's hysterical joke breaks. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Well, come along. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, hello. Welcome to Artie's show.
You know how you really like drums?
Yeah?
Especially drum sets.
Yeah?
Should we draw one?
Whoa! This is gonna be awesome! Yeah! Whoa!
Hello, I'm Betty Brush.
And I'm Mikey Marker.
Welcome to Artie's show.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Should we draw?
Oh, Artie can't wait! Artie can't wait! Artie can't wait! Artie can't wait!
Okay, Artie, come on. Let's get on with it.
Artie can't wait!
We're going to start by drawing the big main drum that sits on the floor. A big round circle in the middle of the page, just slightly towards the bottom. This is called the bass drum. It's the drum that has the lowest sound. That's a great circle, Artie. Very good start. Artie, do you remember that time that you banged your toy drum and the neighbours were not very happy?
Oh, yeah.
Well, you were banging it a little bit hard. That's right, carry on all the way around. Make it as neat as you can, Artie. If Artie's drawing a little bit too quick, here's a message from Bunny Fluffington.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Now let's draw one of the smaller drums on top. 2 curved lines, and then we'll draw an oval shape underneath, and then 2 straight lines connecting the oval to the top curved lines. Great job, Artie. Let's do another drum on the right side. Same kind of thing, 2 curved lines, an oval, and 2 straight lines.
I'm not sure what it's going to be yet, but it looks good.
Let's draw our next drum, the big one that sits at the side. A straight line, an oval at the top, a couple of curves at the bottom, and another straight line. Drawing drums is really easy.
Oh, it's time for a dance break!
It's time for a dance break.
Yeah,
What about the drawing, though?
yeah, we come back to drawing later.
Well, I mean...
Dance break!
Okay.
Yay! Dance break! Dance break! Yeah!
He's hitting that beat.
Perhaps an 8, but no, it's a 10.
Oh, that was a really fun dance break.
It really was. Should we carry on drawing?
Yeah.
The drums?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Let's draw some little rectangles at the bottom and top of each drum. Keep watching, because coming up is one of Mikey Marker's joke breaks. Let's draw some more of those little rectangles on the top drums. Some on the right. And don't forget the side drum. The one on the right? That's it. Oh yes. Now let's draw a cymbal. A cymbal is the metal part that when you hit makes a big ringing sound.
Artie's really on a roll today.
It looks so good.
Let's draw the stand that holds the cymbal up. A straight line with a circle at the end, and then a straight line down to the floor, and then some little legs with circles on the end.
Artie, wanna stop now?
You want to stop, but
Yeah,
we're not.
Just for a minute.
But we're not finished.
Can I have a joke break?
A joke break?
Yeah, Artie want a joke break.
Okay.
Mikey, Artie want a joke break.
Hey folks, thanks for coming back to my set. It's nice of all of you to come and check out the show here at the Mikey Marker Comedy Club. All right, let's get started. What school supplies is the king of the classroom? The ruler. I know, that's a great one. Okay, here's another you'll like. What time would it be if Godzilla came to school? Time to run. Okay. That was a good one too. All right. Here's one more before we go. Why did the egg get thrown out of class? Because he keeps telling yolks.
Mikey, that was a funny joke break.
Mikey's a funny guy.
Yeah.
Let's carry on.
Okay.
Let's draw another symbol on the left side. A nice oval shape, a straight line coming out of the bottom, and then an angled straight line with a little circle on the end, a straight line down, 3 little feet, and some circles on the end. Now you've drawn another symbol. Oh, look, here comes Barry.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, that drawing's really got rhythm. Just like me. Boop, ba-doo-ba-doo-boo. Boop, boop, ba-doo-ba-doo-boo. Bye.
Thanks, Barry. Thanks for making all the neighbourhood dogs bark. Oh, boy. Let's draw some more stands coming out from the bottom of the drums. Perhaps some on the left, on that big drum. That's it. You know, I think you've drawn a drum set. I think you're finished. What do you say, Artie?
I finished.
I knew it. You did a great job. I love it.
Yeah, let's color it in.
Okay.
It's coloring time.
All done. Hey.
Awesome job, Artie.
Yeah.
It looks great.
Oh, yeah, it came out really, really good.
It sure did. Another masterpiece.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
See you next time.
We'll see you again soon.
Bunny wishes and carrot kisses.
Wow, that was so much fun. Thank you for watching, little artists. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye.